Eryri National Park attracts millions of visitors across the world, and it's important that the rural and narrow network of roads that we got are used responsibly.
WI lines have been put there for a reason. They have been risk assessed to ensure free flow traffic on the trunk roads, ensures travelling public can travel safely, efficiently.
The emergency services rely on using the road network, so obviously if they're blocked by people parking in unsuitable places as road verges and roadside, they won't be able to pass.
Parking blocking payments can result in individuals having to enter the live carriageway, create a health and safety risk with oncoming vehicles or traffic, can possibly lead to catastrophic incidents really.
As an authority, we want to attract people to come to the park. We want people to respect the area, use the roads responsibly and use designated places to park as well.